Hello and welcome to an absolute shed lover's paradise right here on an acre in Wivenhoe Pocket. The house itself, huge. 4 big bedrooms, 3 living areas, great kitchen, outdoor entertaining areas everywhere, big car accommodation, middle of the block, huge in-ground pool, gotta love that, and to the back of the block, sheds, and more sheds. Working from home, this is the place you want to be. Of course, there's also like a little self-contained granny flat with its own bathroom as well. There's so much on offer here with only a few minutes down the road to Fernvale. If you love what you see, call me, Facebook me, email me. Virtual inspections, we can do those anytime. But basically, any way you look at this awesome property, you just have to look at it.